Hello, in this video we're gonna check if you can hide the chat in Diablo Immortal. So right here there's a chat. If you click on it, that way it will pop up, and sadly, as far as I checked, there was no option to hide it, but I'm gonna show you the few tips you can do to actually fix popping it up. So you'll need to go to the options by pressing the top right corner of the screen, and then on the gear icon move to the chat, and right here disable all of the channels like this. I would recommend leaving a party or a raid one enabled. Also warband if you're in any or clan. So do the same thing with autoplay voice messages, and make sure that chat size is minimum default. Now if we go back, we won't get any messages, and that way our chat won't enable every time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.